Hello again, Tony speaking here. Thank you very much indeed for viewing and thank you for subscribing and please keep doing so. Um, this is a quick review of present simple positive. As you can see, it's subject and verb. I work, you work, he, she, it works. And look at those different endings there. Es, ies, is or has are the irregular verbs for the verb to be and the verb to have. Es if the verb ends ch, sh, o, x or double s. Ies if it ends in consonant and y, like carries, worries. Do you remember all that? We work, they work. So for he, she, it, for the third person, these spelling rules for positive. And let's have a look at the next slide now. The next slide shows us present simple negative, and we can see it's the same structure. There aren't any spelling rules for this. That's the only exception there. It's subject, I don't work, subject, negative of, in the present form of the verb to do, and work as the present form of the verb. So I don't work, you don't work, he, she, it doesn't work. Notice how there's no spelling difference there. Yeah, it's the same spelling. We don't work, they don't work. And of course, your verbs like do, be, and have are auxiliary verbs which help other verbs. So as you can see, it's subject, don't or doesn't, and the present form of the verb. And this is the same structure for all present simple negative verbs. Yeah, okay. So thank you. And this is the question form. And as you can see, it changes. We've got do or does, which is the present form of the verb to do. Do I work? Do subject and work. Do you work? Does he, she, it work? Do we work? Do they work? So it's do or does, the subject and the verb. And a good thing to do, is to choose a few verbs and to say these things to yourself and to write them down and check your accuracy. Try a few verbs every day. That always helps. And notice how we use the capitals when we start a sentence there. Do or does. Yeah. So always remember these to make your English more accurate, please. And then the answer is there, the short answer. Yes, I do. Yes, you do. Yes, he, she, it does. That's the only difference. Yes, we do. Yes, they do. Yes, subject do or does with he, she, and it. Okay? So, negative, no, subject don't. No, I don't. No, you don't. No, he, she, it doesn't. So, does and doesn't are the only spelling differences. And we've got, in this case, yes, subject and do, no, subject don't, or yes, subject does, no, subject doesn't, for he, she, and it. So that's a summary of the present simple positive, present simple negative, present simple question, and present simple answer. And try writing those down and see how accurately you can do them to make your English more concise and more precise, please.